The refreshed 2025 Kia EV6 has arrived, and Kia isn't just dipping its toes in the EV waters, they're making a splash. While Tesla's been dominating headlines, Kia's been quietly perfecting their electric crossover, and this updated EV6 looks ready to give the Model Y a serious run for its money. What's up, everyone? Today, we're diving into the refreshed 2025 Kia EV6, fresh from its debut at the LA Auto Show. And there are three big stories here: more range, more tech, and yes, it's now built right here in America. Let's start with what matters most to EV shoppers: range. Kia's bumped up the batteries across the lineup. The standard pack now sits at 63 kilowatt-hours, while the long-range version packs a hefty 84 kilowatt-hours. The result? Up to 319 miles of range in rear-wheel drive configuration. That's some serious distance that puts range anxiety in the rearview mirror for most drivers. Power options are just as impressive. The base rear-wheel drive model gives you 167 horsepower, the long-range rear-wheel drive steps up to 225 horses, and the all-wheel drive version delivers 320 horsepower with 446 pound-feet of torque. But the headliner is that GT model I teased earlier. It now makes 641 horsepower in GT mode. Absolutely wild. Visually, Kia's given the EV6 a subtle but effective makeover. It now features their star map lighting signature front and rear, which looks phenomenal at night. The front end has sharper angles, new character lines on the hood, and those three-dimensional taillights really pop. It's an already good-looking car made even better. Step inside, and you're greeted by a gorgeous curved display that stretches across the dash, combining two 12.3-inch screens. The whole interior has this horizontal theme that creates an airy feeling, complemented by ambient lighting inspired by the larger EV9. Tech-wise, this thing's loaded. Kia's latest infotainment system supports over-the-air updates, so your car actually improves over time. The new Digital Key 2.0 system lets you use your phone as a key without taking it out of your pocket. You can even text a digital key to someone if they need to borrow your car. Here's potentially the biggest news for American buyers. The 2025 EV6 is now built in Georgia, alongside the EV9, except for the GT model. This is huge because it could make the EV6 eligible for federal tax credits under the Inflation Reduction Act, potentially saving you thousands. They've also increased towing capacity on the long-range model to 2,700 pounds, with smart features that adjust your range estimate based on trailer weight. And for charging, it still supports ultra-fast 800-volt DC charging, though the charge port has been relocated to the left rear fender. So what's the verdict? The 2025 Kia EV6 takes everything already great about this electric crossover and makes it better. More range, more power, better tech, and American production all add up to an extremely compelling package that should have Tesla, Ford, and other EV makers looking nervously in their rearview mirrors. Expected to hit dealerships in the first half of next year. We don't have official pricing yet, but the current model starts around $43,000. If Kia can keep it in that ballpark, they're going to sell every single one they make. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more content just like this. Leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions. I read every single one. And don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified about my next upload. See you in the next video.